Greetings from I Love New York. There is a look at the West Point Military Academy. This is the 6th week of autumn foliage in I Love New York. So this is an October 17th look. That would be closest stop, Garrison. And you can get official visitation trips to West Point Military Academy via Metro-North as well. I've done them on bus routes. There are select avenues of West Point that you can view, but keep in mind, just riding on the Metro-North is a journey within itself, especially during the autumn season. This again is the 6th week, so just past some hikers, 6th week of New York foliage, and I Love New York. And all different regions have their leaf change at different points. Poughkeepsie would have been week 5, so week 6 we're heading into this region right now, which would be Rockland County, Orange County area, Ulster.
Oh my god.
And that is just a quick view of some autumn foliage in New York as seen from the beautiful Metro-North Hudson Valley line.
This is Cold Spring Station.
Happy autumn. Happy autumn from I Love New York.